Hello viewers, my dear students, welcome to my channel Bhatt Lectures. My name is Bhatt. I am lecturer in zoology subject and my YouTube channel is Bhatt Lectures. Today's my topic is dairy farming management. So first we define the dairy farming. The dairy farming involves rearing, breeding. Dairy farming involves rearing, breeding of cattle like milk animals, of cattle like milk animals for production of milk, at commercial level or commercial scale. This is called the dairy farming. In a dairy farming, I will repeat, involves rearing, breeding of cattle like milk animals for production of milk at commercial level. And a milk producing female population of animals is called the milk animals or dairy animals. These animals produce milk, cow, buffalo, goat, camel, yak. These are the animals which produce the milk, cow, buffalo, goat, camel, yak. The excellent dairy animals which are reared at commercial scale include cow and buffalo. Because the dairy operation consists of proper maintenance of cattle, the collection of milk, processing the milk, and it is byproducts. Dairy is the production and marketing of milk, and it is products. It is the rearing of cattle for producing milk and raising the fodder crop to feed them. The concern science which is concerned in this dairy farming is the animal husbandry. Our government had made the animal husbandry for guidance, for counseling guidance of the common people, how you farm this dairy farming. If we define first the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry, it is the science, rearing, caring, feeding, breeding, and disease control of animals is called the animal husbandry. It is essential raising good livestock. In animal husbandry is made for raising the good livestock. You all know that what is meant by livestock. Livestock refers to domestic animals. Domestic animals means which we take proper care at home, which are the useful animals. The domestic animals which provide us milk, meat and hides. Not only milk these domestic animals provide, but meat also, hide also, and other this manner also, and include these livestock includes cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, poultry also. If you go for importance of the dairy farming, importance of dairy farming is that we get the milk. Main thing is we get the milk. And second, this is the planting. Second is the agriculture operation like plowing, harrowing, leveling, etc. are carried out by these animals. And these animals do that work in our agriculture work. And third importance is transportation. Yani transportation means to carry the things, goods, people they are used for transportation of goods. They are used for transportation of goods. And fourth importance of this is manner and fuel. Fuel means anything which burn to produce heated energy. Fuel, manner. The dung provided by them acts as valuable manner for maintaining the fertility of soil. And they increase the fertility of soil. It also used for preparation of biogas, gobar gas, and also hides. You know that animal hides are used for preparation of leather goods. We make leather goods, different types of goods, and sell these goods and earn the livelihood. And these are the animal husbandry's benefits. So now we go for dairy farm management. Dairy farm management. How we manage the dairy farm animals? How we manage the dairy farm animals? Dear students, dairy farm management is control and scientific handling of farm animals in their rearing, grooming, breeding, and caring so as to maximize their yield, so as to increase their yield, increase their production. It ensures proper and optimum feed, clean drinking water, proper shelter, and grooming, immunization care, sick and selective breeding. So you all know that this management in a rearing of cattle for human rearing of cattle for human benefit, also consumption of milk. The dairy farm management. Now we go for detailed dairy farm management. The dairying is the management. Dairying is the management of animals. The dairying is the management of animals. Management of animals for milk, and it is product for human consumption. You all know that dairy technology is scientific approach and methodology for rearing, managing, breeding of dairy animals. Collection and processing of milk, and it is products. Today India ranks first in milk production. And USA second rank. And the largest milk producer country is the India, and second is the USA being the second. The rise in milk production in India has been due to operating flood and wide revolution undertaken by the National Dairy Institute and NDRLITS and National Dairy Development Board NDDB. NDDB stands for National Dairy Development Board and National Dairy Corporation NDC. The dairy farm management involves all those processes and programs which help in increase of yield and improve the quality of milk. A good animal shelter is also an important aspect of animal husbandry. We should make the good accommodation, good shelter, good house for the animals. And this is very much essential. And program, the dairy farm management involve all those processes. I will repeat, and programs which help increase the yield, improve the quality of milk. And a good animal shelter is very much essential. Good animal shelter is also an important aspect of animal husbandry. It does not only increase the production of milk, but also improves the health of animals as well. A good animal shelter should have some characteristics, some following characteristics, which is very much necessary, very much important. We should implement them later and separate so that we get the good dairy farm. First one is it should protect animals from heat, cold, rains, heat, cold, rain. It should protect heat, cold, rain, and also from other animals. Other animal means we should protect them from other wild animals, other dangerous animals. They should make them harm. It should be clean and dry, airy, and well ventilated. In a well ventilated means air should be come and go. And also some insects, mosquitoes, we should protect them also. Third point is, it should have proper sunlight during the day. Sunlight is very much essential to obtain the vitamin D. Fourth point is, it should have arrangements for clean drinking water for animals. Example, feeding passages and feeding troughs. In a feeding waters and feeding troughs should be managed. And fifth point is, it should be spacious as to provide enough space for each animal to stay comfortably. An animal should sit comfortably in the house. And another sixth point is, you should have sloping floor for hygiene disposal of excreta. It's important. In a sloping, when the urine or excreta, they will go down. And another point is regular brushing of animals. We should clean the animals, regular brushing of animals, remove dirt and loose hairs so that we can save them for infections. And another eighth point is, these are important points. Regular inspection by the veterinary doctor to identify any health problems. To farm animals. And it is earlier rectification. Another way is, the most common dairy animals are cows, buffalo, goats, sheep. In hilly regions, sheep and goat are domesticated for milk. In some Gulf countries, camel milk is being used due to high nutritious value. Why? It may also boost the immune system. Our immune system gets strong for this camel's milk. Milk is considered most important item of the balanced diet. You all know it is most important balanced diet, component of balanced diet, containing all the nutrients, fats, proteins, and lactose, sugar. You all know that milk is very nutritious food because it contains all the nutrients like fats, proteins, sugars, minerals, water. It also contains a number of vitamins like B1, B2, vitamin A, vitamin D, and calcium. And these are important. The various forms of milk, such as fresh, pasteurized, fermented or available for human consumption, and number of products such as cheese, butter, yogurt, cream, ghee, etc. derived from the milk. You all know about only 39% of milk is consumed. As such, the remaining is covered into curd, cheese, ice creams, butter, ghee, milk, powdered condensed milk, infant food, and many other sweet meats. So, in dairy farm management, various techniques coupled with most modern producers are aimed to boost up the yield and to improve the quality of milk. The measures adopted for the yield and quality of milk are as under. First measure is, milk yield is primarily dependent on the quality of breed in the farm. Selection of good breeds having high yield potential with the resistance of diseases is the vital. And second point is, for the yield potential cattle should have proper facilities for, I already told this point, for housing, water, cement, cleanliness and hygiene. And third point is, the quality and quantity of fodder to be fed to cattle is also vital for obtaining the desired result. And we should give the good quality of the feed of these animals. Good quality of the feed. And fourth point is, there should be no contamination at the time of milking storage and transportation of milk. And fifth point is cattle should be health and disease free. And sixth point is odor. Odor means the mammary gland spot. Odor and the teeth in a mammary projections of cattle should be properly cleaned before milking. And seventh point is dairy farm requires regular. I will repeat, the sixth point is odor and teeth. Odor and teeth. Odor means mammary glands of cow, sheep, goat. And odor means mammary glands of cow, sheep and goat. And teeth. Teeth means small projections of mammary glands. Small projections of the mammary glands. Odor and teeth of cattle should be properly cleaned before milking. And the seventh point is the dairy farm requires regular inspection and proper record keeping. And eighth point is the regular visit by veterinary doctor has to be mandatory. And we should consult the veterinary doctor, consult the professional for guidance of the good dairy farming. And another important is the disease control, common diseases. And we should go for doctor for vaccinations, from time to time of these dairy farming animals. So some important diseases, some dangerous diseases which are affected by our cattle are mouth and foot and mouth disease. Foot and mouth diseases. This is a viral disease. Anthrax is a bacterial disease. In a foot and mouth disease, a viral disease. Anthrax is a bacterial disease. Pneumococcus is a disease. Cattle pluga viral disease. And bacteria, hemorrhages. These are the diseases which are affected by our cattle, by our dairy farm animal. So we should consult a doctor and from time to time to save dairy farm animals which are important to our life, because we earn the money, we earn the livelihood, we get the employments of these dairy farms. So dear students, thank you all.